how to get Strava for free. So if you want to get the Strava free trial, then first you just need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. You need to go for the search and search for Strava. Once you've searched here, you will have www.strava.com. Click on that search. Once you click on it, here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go and sign up with your Facebook or Google, Apple, or email. You can choose any one of these options. So I'll be choosing email, and you need to enter the email address. So make sure to create a strong password and then go for sign up. And once you sign up, you need to create your profile. So enter your first and last name and then enter your date of birth and enter your gender. And now here on the upper right side of your screen, you will have Start Trial option. Click on Start Trial and it will take you to the free trial. So you need to simply go for Start Free Trial. You will have 30-day free trial option. You just need to go for that and then you will have your free trial. And you can enter your card number, your expiry date, security code, and everything, and then you can start your free trial. So that's how you can get your Strava free trial. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.